Which brings us to our next theme: bridges, not walls.
Oh, I love this one.
Yeah, and this theme really resonates with the Buddhist concept of metta, which translates to loving kindness or compassion.
Yeah, metta, I mean, that's a central idea and central to the idea of recognizing also our interconnectedness, extending our hearts beyond our own limited sphere and embracing strength that we find in shared experiences and mutual aid.
Yes.
It reminds me of my own experience hitchhiking across Europe when I was much younger. It's kind of a wide-eyed traveler,
Yeah.
relying on the kindness of strangers to get from one place to the next.
Wow.
It was a bit daunting at first,
Sure.
but I quickly learned that most people are inherently good and willing to help, even if it's just offering a ride or a meal,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, that's trust in human goodness, in kindness. It's something the Buddha spoke of often. When we extend kindness, we're contributing to a vast network of compassion that connects us all. It's the same web of support that you experience there. Yeah, no, I really relate to that.
And those acts of kindness, no matter
Uh-huh.
how small, can create a web of
Yeah.
support that stretches far and wide.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There's a story in one of your sources about a woman named Lindsay who
yeah,
had a chance
Lil.
encounter with a monk in Bangkok.
Right.
And he gave her directions, a little bit of advice, and went on his way. Years later, she found herself drawn to a meditation retreat in southern Thailand, where she unexpectedly met.
Ta-da.
You.
Yes.
Yeah, that's right. It turned out that the monk she had met years ago was also a close friend of mine. It's like these invisible threads weaving through our lives, connecting us in ways we could never, imagine.
That's right.
Yeah, it's a beautiful testament, actually, to the interconnectedness of all things. Yeah. And a reminder that we're never truly alone on this journey.